Hello guys! Ito na naman tayo guys. Mag-prepare na naman tayo ng dinner. Our dinner for tonight is beef steak. At yan yung ating gulay. Meron tayong corn, carrots, at saka yung broccoli guys. I-steam ko lang ito. Tapos gawa tayo ng mashed potato. At i-grill din natin ito guys. So ayan ang ating dinner for tonight. Hello guys! We're making dinner. This is beef steak. This is my sirloin steak. I need to make well done. And this one is medium. So this is my well done. Cover it. And we need to make mashed potato. So this mashed potato we need to put a little bit of milk, and we need to put some butter, butter, and to keep it, and we need to put a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, right? And then it's a bit more. Okay, so that's it. And we do it, smash it like this. We don't need to put black pepper guys. Hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng black pepper dahil ayaw ng ating bossing. So, this is how I make my mashed potato. Actually, this potato guys is not for mashed potato. Yung rashet ang masarap. So, this is it. So, yan na yung ating mashed potato. So, we need to do it like that and mix it again. Alright. So, that's it. So we need to put our plate and here or here. So ayan guys, yung ating dinner for tonight. It's a massive dinner guys. Actually my oh no, my steak is already medium. Yeah, this is medium. Medium. And I like my well done. Mine is well done. So a little bit more my well done. So yan. Oh. Cheers guys. Ayun guys, kain na tayo. This is a massive dinner guys. My goodness. Dami. Lucky. So cheers! So ayun guys. Yung aking dinner for tonight. Kain na tayo guys! Ayan, medium well done. So this is our dinner guys. Sirloin steak. And this is, this is ribeye steak. And this is sirloin steak. Ang pagkaiba nun guys is mas marami yung fat.
There's enough for how many people?
With the red wine.